San Jose, Silicon Valley. I'm going to a sidewalk. Let's go. Have to do a survey. Let's see. Cabling. Today, let's go. That's where we're going. Get the address. Get direction. 25 minutes. Oh gosh, it's raining. It's raining. Okay, let's go. Let's put it there. Okay. Oh my god, it's raining, guys, and windy. I hope it's not raining outside when I get there. Ingay. San Jose, 25 minutes destination natin. Rainy day, guys. Right now, close to downtown San Jose. Ganito pagka tag-ulan dito. There you go, guys. After my walk, this is what we came up. So that's what we're gonna do next time we come back here. Let's do and make that quote and send to the client, and when we approve, we come back here to do it. Rain. So that took us maybe almost an hour. cameras here. So we just go back home and do that estimate, and from there, one of our happy clients, and keep coming back for more. Let's go. Yeah, guys, I think we're having a storm. Dilim na sa labas. Bagyo, bagyo. Yan, pag tag-ulan dito, ganito. Tapos malamig. In this corner, in this street, they always beat the red light. I hope nobody get severe hurt if they're